And see, this is what I be talking about. Look at this. We got $3.85 for 3.9 miles. Nobody, nobody making money. 425 for 4.2. Who do I look like, Doordash? No. 1125 for 11.7. Hell to the no. Stop playing with me, bro. And then they got the nerve to send this $16 for 12.5. No. It's not happening. 875 for 9.3. Man, you better stop playing with me. It's finna stay right over there at Steak and Shake. Come on, man. Who is taking these offers? This is what I don't understand, because if you going for Top Dash and you got to deal with this, that's unreasonable. Now, this is actually an okay order. 925 for 6.5. But Chick-fil-A at 747 at night, heck, I'm trying to make more than $9 driving 6 miles away. This is why I advise you to use multiple apps. 1125 for 13 miles. Now, this is just reverse miles to money ratio. Craziness. I mean, straight up ridiculous, guys. Do not take this crap. I mean, what the fuck? Who? Why? 384. Whenever you see an order that's got an odd change amount, you might as well just go ahead and just decline that with the quickness. And then it's McDonald's at that. And it's going right next door. I don't give a damn. Hell to the no. It's going to stay right over there. Because we do not play them games. Not on this channel. Now, this order right here, at least it's a straight shot. $8 for 7 miles. At least it's a straight shot. Maybe the speed limit like 50, 45 miles an hour. You can get down there quick. But I left it right there because it ain't the order for me. Man, look at here. These orders on Doordash is trash. Doordash is lowering the base pay. They not finna pay us nothing. They about to be paying us $0 delivery base pay. Look at this. $3 for 5 miles. Who? How was they even able to place an order like this? And who? Make it make sense, Doordash. That's all I'm saying. Just make it make sense. Who is taking this trash? 550 for 5 miles at Wendy's, and it's gonna stay right over there. I mean, oh my God, my head be hurting sometimes how many orders I have to decline. At least they brung back the one tap decline, because that makes it a lot easier right there.
Make sure you hit that like and the subscribe button for your boy so we can get this channel to 10,000 subscribers. Let's go. I'm trying to get that YouTube money. Stop playing with me.
Do it! Just now, 425 for 1.4 miles. That ain't the worst offer in the world. My minimum is 475. So if it's 475 1 mile, I'll take this one. 475 for 3 miles. That is not on my parameters. Now, if I was over there, maybe it'd said a little bit less, but I'm not. So it's gonna stay right there. Then look at this, 575 for 3 miles. Now that just ain't gonna work for me at all, because even if I was right there, it still wouldn't work. Let me know in the comments below if you're taking orders like this. Look at that. 575, 3.8 miles. Look, we can't make money like this, Doordash. And then that's 5 guys. You're gonna have to wait 5, 10 minutes for them to make the fries when you get there. Come on. We is not playing those games. We out here to make money. Now, $8 for 5.5 miles, you might be able to make some money with that, especially if they decide to send you a stack. And then this one, $12 for 8 miles, you might be able to make money with that too. But for me and for my zone, 8 miles is taking me out of my zone. Ain't no dash along the way. Ain't no money to be made right there. Let me know in the comments below what you're gonna do if you see offers like this.
So I'm just sitting here chilling, right? You know, minding my business. I'm waiting on this Walmart Spark order. It's like 18 bucks for 3 miles. You know, nothing big, nothing major. Nothing major. So I say, you know what? Let me go ahead, turn on DoorDash and see what's going on, right? Because if I got 20, 25, 30 minutes to kill, that means I got time to do a food delivery order, you know, right? Multi-app all the way. So I turns it on, right? It's like, oh, you can dash now. I go, oh, snaps. It's been great all day. And now all of a sudden I can dash now. I say, thank the DoorDash gods. Thank you, DoorDash God up in heaven, for allowing me the pleasure to dash now. And with that pleasure that they allowed me, they blessed me with this order right here. $9.50 for 8.5 miles. What am I going to do with that? How am I going to make money driving 8.5 miles away for $9? And I'm going to have to drive back. I'm like, okay, you know what? It's cool. Boom, I hit decline. We got the one tap decline. I'm like, oh, okay. DoorDash is coming up. DoorDash is on their way to the top once again because they making it easier for you to decline them offers. This is what I'm thinking in my head, right? So I declined it. I went on and declined it. I let it go. You know, no biggie. Hey, first order, whatever, no biggie. Then they send me this. 475 for 2.8 miles at Chick-fil-A. Man, it's 5:24 in the afternoon. You know how busy Chick-fil-A is right now? You think I'm about to pull over there for $4 and take it 3 miles? At the beginning of dinner time, DoorDash, what are you doing? Okay, you know what? Okay, that's just 2 offers. Then they send me this. Reverse miles to money ratio. What the fuck? Like, what the fuck, DoorDash? Hold on. So first you send me an order that was barely 1-to-1, but taking me outside of my zone. Okay, whatever. So we can still make those work sometimes, right? Then you send me a straight up lowball offer. Like, don't get me wrong, I'll do it for 75, but it better be going 1 mile and it better be at a place that's 90% of the time they got it ready. But then I decline those and you send me reverse miles to money ratio, a pizza? So you telling me they ordered pizza from 15 miles away. And first of all, you let it happen during the busiest time of the night and it's supposed to just make it there fresh, right? But what if you stack it? And then that's not even to count the fact that you driving 15 miles for $13. Like, how do that even make sense, DoorDash? Why are you sending people orders that's 15 miles outside of their zone? Like, if I wanted to go dash over in goddamn Collinsville, I would have scheduled a dash in Collinsville. And why is people from Collinsville ordering all the way over here in Edwardsville? This don't make no sense. You know how many restaurants is in Collinsville? This is pizza. My Pizza. You know how many pizza spots is in Collinsville? Man. So look. Then they send me this order. $8.25 for 7.7 miles. Like, what I'm finna do with that, DoorDash? Let me know if you taking these offers. Let me know if you would have took any of the offers that I'm showing you right now, because I can't make nothing shake with that. I got an order on Walmart Spark, $18 and some change for 3.9 miles or something like that. 3-to-1 miles to money ratio, keeping me within my zone, and it's a stack at that. It's 2 drop-offs. Where is the orders like that when it comes to the food delivery, man? That's what I'm saying. Like, food delivery is really going down the drain. We ain't finna get paid more. We finna get paid less. The base pay has already gone down to $1 on stacked orders. DoorDash lowering the base pay to $2 on regular orders, and on stacks it's still $2. That means for 2 orders, you're getting paid $1 base pay on each one. $13.75 for 9.6. $13.75 for 9.6. That's two $2.70. That's two $6.75 orders. What? $6.70 for 9 miles? Because both of the drop-offs right next to each other. So $6, $7 for 9 miles on both of them orders. Like, stop playing with me. That's crazy. Then they sent me this one, $5.75 for 3.3. Like, are you kidding me right now? That's the best you can do, $5.75 for 3.3 miles? Come on, man. Stop playing with me. I'm not taking these offers, and I advise you not to as well. And then look at this next one, $15.50 for 9.9. That's actually probably the best one I've seen out of all these orders. Like, come on. You got to be kidding me with this, man. I can't make money like that, because look, when I'm getting all these sweet offers on Walmart Spark, I cannot lower myself to these DoorDash, door trash standards. Look at this. $6 for 10.9 miles. Like, huh? Where is they? Who? Why? For where? No, we're not taking that. Then this next one, $12.25 for 14 miles. You already know what I'm about to say. Reverse miles to money ratio. Stop playing with me, man. This is crazy. Look, I'm finna go ahead and just keep it going, because I got this next order, $7.75 for 4.2, and that was the first acceptable order out of all them. What was that, 10, 15, 20? I don't even know. That's too many orders. I got that one, got it dropped off, and I got my Walmart Spark order knocked out. And you know what? That was it for my little DoorDash shift. That little one order, $7.75 for an hour on DoorDash. Now you can say, oh, well, you declined the order. 15 miles? 10 miles? How am I making money with that? That's taking me way outside the zone for my Walmart Spark order. Like, you can't make no money with them orders. Look, thank you for sitting here with me for this little quick evening shift DoorDash rant. I just was like, man, look, I ain't been on the platform in a minute. Let me see what's going on. The same nonsense, even lower paying offers. So we got $1 base pay, about to be 0. It's about to be keep your acceptance rate over 70% for the whole month if you want to get Top Dasher, which I don't recommend, by the way, because that's a scam. You can get deactivated for no reason. They just deactivated Nova Dasher for no reason. Dude is probably the best Dasher you ever seen in your whole entire life. Stop playing with me, bro. DoorDash is dead. 2023, DoorDash is dead. Mark the date. We're going to look back on this video a year later and say, damn, those were some good offers. Because the offers we see now, we really probably going to say that. Like, it's going to get to the point where you're working by the hour, you taking all no-tip orders, and you better do it with a smile on your face, or you're going to be deactivated the next day. And you better not be posting on YouTube, because you might be deactivated for that. You see, I'm already on account number 3, but I don't give a damn. That's why I multi-app. I do not put all my eggs in one basket, especially not no DoorDash basket. Stop playing with me. I'm FDA, Dash and Trader. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.